Hi everyone, I wanted to introduce you to the new course format as we will be conducting the rest of the course for the foreseeable future online. When you log onto Canvas, your dashboard should bring you to History 36, Women's History, and you should see a small icon that looks like this. When you click on the course, you'll come to our homepage. This is where you'll see all of your reminders here. You'll see our course logo with Women's History, and you'll have your global navigation over here. You'll have your announcements. For some reason, we're not getting the announcements. What's going on here? Network error. Let's see. You should have the discussions where you can post any general questions to the course. General questions. And you could get a response from myself or other people in the class. And then you'll also have discussions that will correlate with the topic for each week. So, for instance, the next discussion we have is on women in the American Revolution. You'll be able to post your response here in the reply button. You can upload whatever it is, and then you'll post your reply there. And then you'll be able to see everybody else's posts below. So one thing about the discussions is to remember to make your initial post by Wednesday of each week, and then your 2 comments by Sunday. I have an updated syllabus here for us that includes how we will structure the class going forward. So be sure to look that over. I'm going to be having office hours Monday from 10 to 11 a.m. in conferences on Canvas. I'll show you that in a minute. And you'll see a little bit how the course assignments have changed. Because we will not be meeting in person, we'll have a weekly discussion that are going to be worth 10 points each. You'll have roughly 5 in-course assignments with 20 points each, and then 3 exams. Instead of them being 100 points, they're going to now be 50 points each. And then your oral history is the same, 100 points. And then you'll just see sort of how I made the new schedule, starting with week 6. That's Revolutionary Women. You're required to read chapter 3, the discussion, participate in the discussion, do assignment number 1, and the due date for that is the 5th. You'll see the exams have been scheduled. Oral history prospectus has been pushed back to the 19th of April. I went ahead and eliminated the outline for the oral history, and instead you'll be doing the rough draft, which will be due on the 24th of May, and your final paper for the oral history will be due on the 7th of June. So go ahead and look over the course syllabus. Next, let's look at the modules. Here you will have all the course information that you would need to learn about how to take an online course, Introduction to Canvas if you're unfamiliar with it, just some helpful Mount SAC links and college tips for taking an online course. I've included the updated oral history guideline with a short video of what is oral history, and then links to the different things like the prospectus, which is due on the 19th. And when you're ready, you would submit assignments. You can choose a file, and then you would submit your assignment there. So in the modules, this is where you're going to actually be seeing your work. So I included the lecture outlines and the rest of the colonial women that we were finishing up with, when we left the course. And picking up with week 6 is Mothers and Daughters of the Revolution. You'll be able to view the introduction. You'll see the outline, video clip, discussion, and then the assignment. I will come back and let you know how we're going to be handling the conferences, and if you ever need to chat or want to do a FaceTime video or something like that, I'll provide another explanation and some guidance when we get to that. All right, that's it for now. I hope you're all having a nice day, and I'll talk to you soon.